Lesson 46, Finding the Elapsed Time with a Standard Algorithm with Regrouping. Here's part 1. This is a review, so let's solve the following problems. Here we have 67, 65, 70, 74, 90, 94, 100, and 101. Here's part 2. We're going to find the elapsed time between 120 and 310 using the standard algorithm. So think of it as 3 hours and 10 minutes, 3 hours and 10 minutes minus 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let's take care of box B. Here we have 1 hour, write it down, and 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. Here's 1 hour, or 60 minutes, 1 hour, or 60 minutes. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. So altogether, we have 3 hours and 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and subtract. We're going to find the difference between 310 and 120. We'll subtract the minutes first, then we'll subtract the hours. Let's start with the minutes. 10 minutes minus 20 minutes. So here's 10 minutes, take away 20 of them. And notice that we don't have enough to subtract. So what are we going to do? We're going to take this hour and we're going to break it apart and turn it into minutes. Now, we won't have 3 hours to work with, we'll only have 2 hours. So here, cross off the 3 hours and write down 2 hours. Now let's figure out how many minutes we have. We have 60 minutes plus 10 minutes, and that gives us 70 minutes. So cross off the 10 minutes, and now we have 70 minutes. We just added 60 to it. Now we can subtract the minutes. Here's 70 minutes, take away 20 of them. Here's 70 minutes, take away 20 of them. So here's 10, 20. And how many minutes do we have left? We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes. That's why 70 minus 20 equals 50. Now let's subtract the hours. We have 2 hours, take away 1 of them. Here are 2 hours, take away 1 of them. And now there's just 1 hour left. Here's our final answer. The elapsed time is 1 hour and 50 minutes. 1 hour and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes. Here's part 3. Students are going to follow along with their instructor. If the end time minutes is less than the start time minutes, you won't have enough minutes to take away, so regroup, just like we did here. Here's example 1. 3:42 a.m. to 10:14 a.m. This is an AM to AM problem, so we don't need a 24-hour clock. Notice though that the end time minutes, 14 minutes, is less than 42 minutes, so we are going to have to regroup. Let's rewrite the problem vertically. Here's 10:14 a.m. minus 3:42 a.m. Once again, we don't have enough minutes to subtract. 14 is less than 42. So look at the hours, cross off 10 hours, and count backwards 1 hour. That gives us 9 hours. We counted backwards 1 hour, and 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 14 minutes gives us 74 minutes. So 10:14 is the same as 974. Now we have enough minutes to subtract, so let's do that. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. 9 hours minus 3 hours equals 6 hours. So the elapsed time is 6 hours and 32 minutes. Now for example 2, and we'll take it nice and slow again. 6:49 a.m. to 11:21 a.m. This is an AM to AM problem, so we don't need a 24-hour clock. But notice that 21 minutes is less than 49 minutes, so we are going to have to regroup. Let's rewrite the problem vertically. 11:21 a.m. minus 6:49 a.m. Notice again that we don't have enough minutes to take away. 21 minutes is less than 49 minutes. So cross off 11 hours and count backwards. That gives us 10 hours. We counted backwards 1 hour. 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. And 60 plus 21 equals 81. So 11:21 is the same as 10:81. Now we have enough minutes to take away. Let's take it nice and slow because there will be some regrouping here. 1 minus 9, we don't have enough to subtract, so let's regroup. 11 minus 9 equals 2. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And 10 hours minus 6 hours equals 4 hours. So our final answer is an elapsed time of 4 hours and 32 minutes.